Genesis Trading Company, super fast medical equipment, sales, service and repair in whole Bangladesh. Genesis Trading Company. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to installation video. Now I test the auto movement technology, chassis stand and grid. First I move the extra tube. Extra tube is movement and then automatically movement the grid cassette tray. Nice. And again move. And then automatically movement the cassette tray. This is very good and perfect positioning. And now I movement the tube to chassis stand and up the chassis stand and then automatically up the extra tube. Now down the chassis stand and automatically positioning the extra tube to chassis stand. This is very good and helpful. Thank you so much for being with Genesis Trading Company. Super fast medical equipment, sales, service and repair in whole Bangladesh.